The Nine-Arch Bridge, also known as the Bridge in the Sky, Ahas Namaye Palama, is an iconic colonial-era viaduct located in Ella, Sri Lanka. Completed in 1921, it is famous for being constructed entirely from stone, brick, and cement without the use of a single piece of steel. Flying Ravana, +3. Key information for visitors. Location: situated in Damodara, between the Ella and Damodara railway stations. Admission: 100% free to visit. Opening hours: open 24 hours daily. Best time to visit: early morning, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., recommended to avoid large crowds and capture the best light. Train crossings: most visitors aim to see the blue trains pass over the arches. While schedules vary, common crossing windows in 2026 are approximately 9:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 1 p.m., 3:30 p.m., and 5:30 p.m.